PlayStation 5, I want to talk a little bit about the restock updates here leading up to Christmas. So the robot stuff, the bots buying the systems, apparently some of the retailers have caught up and caught on. Mm-hmm. And Walmart specifically has been very upset about the bot situation. You would sit there and think to yourself, okay, why would Walmart care who buys the thing so long as they pay for it?
Right.
But I think Walmart wants the end user to get it because then there's that recognition that, oh, Walmart came through for me.
Yeah, they have my back.
Yeah,
and I ordered something and I got it.
When I need something in the future, there's the subconscious thing of that thing that was hard to get, Walmart got it. So it's kind of like a win for the end user and for Walmart in that transaction, that Walmart becomes the necessary piece in you acquiring the thing that you want. Mm-hmm. So this is something that kind of gets overlooked with the bot thing, and I have heard the argument that who cares who's buying it? Well, that's why Walmart would care, and they employed certain technologies in order to potentially block these bot attempts, and apparently they have now blocked more than 20 million bot attempts to purchase the console in the first 30 minutes on November 25th during the restock.
So you're saying bots are fighting bots?
Bot v bot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's bot v bot. On behalf of
Walmart.
Walmart is up for the battle. And I don't know if they'll win, but look, if they block 20 million, I would say that is significant. Now, anyways, I got to thinking, okay, what is really going on with inventory then? If let's say the bots are getting blocked and more people are finding them at retail or online retail, then what happens to the secondary market? So I popped onto local Kijiji actually shortly after reading this, and I discovered that there's availability in the Toronto area. There are many available, and starting around $900 for the disc model, which I know that's still a ton of money, but at the prime, these things were $1,000 USD, so double the USD starting price. Here in Canada, the starting price is what, $650, $600?
Around there.
For the disc model. We're going to get a quick update on this, but what I'm trying to say is that ratio is definitely not double anymore. So part of it probably has to do with the holidays catching up. It's $629. So you go from $629 to $900. You add taxes in there, and you're only really, what are you paying, a $200 premium? Yeah. Not that crazy right now. So what am I trying to say here? What I'm trying to say is is it the secondary market? Yeah, the eBays and the Kijijis of the world. If you can track the price there, you get a pretty good idea of the inventory catch up, right? And I think we're getting to that point now where there are more available, just based on that small little investigation. However, there is that X factor, which is the holidays and potentially sellers getting nervous. Now that I guess we're a couple days away from Christmas, they're getting nervous that they're like, we got to get rid of these right now. Right. But I expect it to just, the secondary prices to fall off a cliff post-Christmas. Yeah. So I'm saying hold out at this point if that's you. Hold out or just keep frequenting the websites because they're getting better at blocking the bots.